Welcome to ByteVision YouTube channel, iPhone 16 Pro unboxing. The iPhone 16 Pro represent the pinnacle of Apple's current smartphone offerings. Introduced as part of the 18th generation of iPhones. Here's a detailed overview based on the latest information. Design and display. These models feature larger displays with the iPhone 16 Pro, sporting a 6.3-inch screen and making it the biggest iPhone screen to date. Both use Super Retina XDR OLED technology, with thinner display borders than their predecessors. Camera system. A significant upgrade includes a 5x optical zoom telephoto camera on both models, previously exclusive to the Pro Max. The camera setup supports 4K video recording at 120 fps, introducing the highest resolution and frame rate combination for video on an iPhone. Additionally, there's a new camera control button for enhanced photography and videography controls. Performance, powered by the 18 Pro chip. These devices are built on a second-generation 3nm process, promising significant performance boosts, particularly in AI-related tasks, reflecting Apple's focus on what they call Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence, this feature, rolling out with iOS 18, enhances on-device AI capabilities. Although some features and languages are set to be added over time. Audio mix feature captures and optimizes audio from all directions for a more cinematic sound experience. Connectivity and other features. Both models support Wi-Fi 7 and have been equipped with larger batteries. They also introduce eye tracking for navigation and enhanced gaming capabilities with hardware-accelerated ray tracing for AAA game titles. Thank you for watching ByteVision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.